Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off allow newsletter invitations on your LinkedIn app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture, then it's going to show for you a window like this. Then you just go down here, you click here on settings, and you come to settings window here, just waiting to show for you a window like this. You click here on data privacy, then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just go down. Then you come here to invitations from your network, you will click here. So you will click, then it's going to take you here in this window. You come here to allow newsletter invitations, you will click here on this sign or this color, and like you see color, it's gone. That's mean allow newsletter invitations, it's on off now. I wish you know you I give it. That's all, so just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.